everyone, Amanda from Sequins and Sales here. Today I'm going to share another app with you that I love using from Lightricks called Photoleap. It's the perfect app for both beginners and expert level editors, and if you really want to have more control over the editing process, this is the app for you. All right, so I started by opening the Photoleap app and uploading my background image, which was this yellow brick road. I love that I'm able to change the filters and see what I end up liking best on my image. One of the other tools I used was the blur tool, which kind of makes it look more like a photograph because I can blur the background and highlight the image. I then imported my image and used the erase and restore tools in order to make the background more seamless. The eraser tool has smart edge avoidance, and you can use a cutout tool that'll do the work for you. One last cool item is the cutout tool, where you can select just the person or the background and edit only that area of the photo. I love how this turned out and think it would be so fun for themed parties.